All right, so we made it here. It's the front. It says pawns and buys, over 24 hours, lower rates than payday and title loans. Is that the room?
Fly away, fly, fly, fly away. I'm in prison.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Gavo TV here with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get straight into the video. So right now, currently, we're heading to the strip. As y'all can see in the distance, I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but the strip is over there. But we're headed there. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking at these mountains. They don't even look real. Like, it's literally like, look, I'm gonna show y'all. That mountain don't look real, but it is. That's crazy. But yeah, it's very early here. It's late at home. It's 10 o'clock here. At home it is, let's see. But at home it is 1:07. Here it's 10 a.m. It's crazy. So the whole time, I tried to sleep as long as I could, but I ended up waking up at like 8 in the morning here. So, yeah. It's way more, I don't know, hours ahead of us. But yeah, we're about to get some food. Get right back to this.
Packs of what a throne shoot.
Alright, so we made it to the food place. I got my drink, water, you know what I'm saying? I ordered chicken and waffles. I'm waiting for it to come down. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all once it gets here. I've never been here a day in my life. I keep saying that, but y'all already know that. I've never been here. Well, unless y'all didn't watch episode 1. Go watch episode 1 and then come watch episode 2. But yeah, we're here in Las Vegas. Okay. I'm gonna get right out of your boys. Right. So as y'all can see, food is here. I'm saying this is an interesting plate right here. Interesting looking plate. So I got chicken and waffles, as I told y'all. But look at how they set it up. It's crazy. They got tomatoes and all that. And they got white plates. W white plates in the comments. I don't know how I'm about to eat this. How do I even eat this?
I'm gonna put your phone down first.
Well, yeah, of course I gotta put my phone down. But yeah, I'm about to eat, then I'm gonna rate it. So I'm gonna get right back to you boys. All right, so I just gotta eat it. I'm gonna rate the food a 9. Great food. They get big portions, I ain't gonna lie. Very big portions. Look at this pancake. It's crazy, I ain't gonna lie. And these hash browns, very good. You know, like when y'all eat a hash brown and it just tastes normally, but nah, this don't like this like a normal hash brown, but it's not. Like it's really seasoned, like for real. It's really seasoned. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a 9. 9 out of 10 for sure. Great food. But yeah, my phone is like at 7%. I'm salty as heck. I should have charged it last night. But it is what it is. Hopefully I can still get content. So yeah, I'm gonna go right at y'all boys. I gotta use my charge wisely, I ain't gonna lie. Currently in the mall, a whole lot of copyright. I'm gonna put music over like the part where I start shooting, but I'm gonna shoot the ball.
Packs of what a throne shoot.
top. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, we still got one. Hold on. Let me Oh. Oh. Alright, if I make this, you gotta look around. Alright, so I'm currently at the mall. You know what I'm saying? Well, I already said that at the last clip, but still here. Chilling. Look at the ceiling though. W ceiling in the comments. Like, yo, that's crazy. It's called Caesar's Palace, but you know what I'm saying? Well, yeah, there you go right there. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. See? Caesar's Palace. You know what I'm saying? But, I'm just chilling here. But my throat's sore. Very sore. And my phone's at 4%. So that's terrible. I'm trying to use my charge wisely. As soon as I find an outlet, it's wraps. Put my phone charger and get as much juice as I can. I ain't gonna lie. Cause yo, I only got 5 minutes on this vlog so far. I think 4 or 5 minutes. And I need way more minutes. I need at least 10. So I need to continue to pull out the camera, but I can't pull out the camera if I don't sit there and got no charge. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Right now I'm on a mission to find a charging outlet. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna get right at some place. Well, actually, no, not yet. I'm gonna let y'all know, yo, this mall is at 9.10 or 8. I'm gonna say 8.8. Cause all, what you call it? The mall is like an 8.8. I like it. It's almost a 9 for W Mall. So if y'all ever come to Las Vegas, come to Caesar's Palace. No cap. But yeah, copyright. I'm gonna get right back to y'all boys. Yo, this look like the same place as the hotel lobby. If y'all know, y'all know. The Quavo song, this look just like it. I ain't gonna lie. It's crazy. Let me know if y'all know what I'm talking about down in the comments too. But yeah, we about to go inside. So I'm gonna get right back to y'all boys. Alright, so we're currently in Old Vegas now. So this is like the original Vegas. I mean, oh my, copyright. But yo, this is the original Vegas. You know what I'm saying? That means your great-great-grandfather probably been here and things of that nature. But look, heart attack. Weigh yourself here. Let's see how much I weigh. Hold on, get copyright. I'm gonna have to cut this out. Wait. So now. All right. What am I? 191. All right, I'm 191. 92. 191, 191, 192, something like that. In that area. So what does it say? Similar. All right, so if you weigh 350, you eat for free. I'm only 191, so I can't eat for free, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't want to get copyright, so I'm going to get right back to y'all boys. All right, let's see what he does. Go out the casino. I don't know. What y'all guess down in the comments? He going to win or lose?
Gotta max it out.
All right, go crazy.
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
Nothing? He lost?
Lost.
Damn, that's tough.
Yeah.
He lost. If y'all said he lost, then you're right. Say he won, you're wrong. All right. Let's see what you going.
That's my life savings right there, that $1.
You know what?
Down the drain.
All right. You gotta press play. Press play.
Press play, Mom. Or you can press anyone you want to. Mom, you know what you're doing. You don't gotta listen to him.
All right. That's who's gonna win. What y'all think in the comments?
In the comments is crazy.
I think she lost.
No.
You going to 8? Nothing else? Yeah. I ain't gonna lie though. 4, what is it, 5? Yeah, 5 slots kind of seem trash. I ain't gonna lie. Hey! She won a certificate, I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna go right back to your boys. Yo, right now?
Wait, hold on.
Dang, look, they got a slingshot in front. So, yo, look, as I can see. Oh my goodness, the lady need to be quiet. Now, look at that.
They've reviewed a few things in the parking lot too.
Where they revealed stuff in the
park?
park?
They seen some things. They had like a bunch of stuff out here in the parking lot too.
Dang, that's crazy. So yeah, we made it to pawn shop, pawn stars. You know what I'm saying?
No, is that right there?
So, feel me? I seen on TV. That's crazy. Open. Well, it says it's open 24 hours though. So it might be open. About to test it. All right, so we made it here. It's the front. It says pawns and buys, open 24 hours, lower rates than payday and title loans. Is that the room?
Yeah, that's one of the rooms where I see.
Yeah, people inside, so I think you can actually go in.
Well, I think it's open.
Yeah, unless this is where you go in. I don't know. But there is people inside though. I ain't gonna lie.
Wait, that's
Yeah, it's on the History Channel. That's what it was. The History Channel. Certain night window.
I don't think you can get in.
You know what these are? I don't know. I mean, it points that way, so I don't know.
But there's people inside there.
Yeah, there's people inside. I don't know. The showroom might be closed, and that door might be open. But I don't know.
But if it's closed, it's closed. If it's open, it's open.
I don't get it. What are you doing? All right, I'm gonna get right back with y'all boys.
Yeah.
But we're here. Well, you just tried to open the door, and it was closed. So I think it's closed, even though there's people inside. I don't know. But yeah, we made it here. You know what I'm saying? That car is loud as heck. But this is what it look like though. W palm trees. You know what I'm saying? W palm trees. I ain't gonna lie. But I ain't gonna lie, yo. Back at home, it's like 30-something degrees. Here, it's like 78. I ain't gonna lie. Even though I got on pants and all that, I still got that stuff on. I also,
So happy, right?
I just, what you call it?
You watched the show, right?
I just posted pictures on my Instagram. So, you know what I'm saying? If you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be linked in bio. You know what I'm saying? Gavo TV. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. Go follow it. Go like and comment on my recent posts. You know what I'm saying? You might win something, no cap. But yeah, we made it here. Even though I said this like 4 times. I don't know why it's so bright. That's so weird. All right, there we go. I had to dim it down. You feel me? Back to the car I go. So I'm gonna get right back with y'all boys. W pawnshop. Alright, so right now, we about to get food. You know what I'm saying? But so far, well, not so far. Today was a W day. You know what I'm saying? It's currently nighttime. Like y'all can see. You feel me? But yeah, W day in the comments. You feel me? No cap. And again, I posted on my Instagram. Go follow me at Gavo TV. I'm probably on the screen. But if you made it this far in the video, you can like, comment, subscribe. We out.